Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the operating system and the app version so you know which settings to change. Once done, ensure the device stays powered. Charge above 30% or plug in so the restart process won't be interrupted. Make a quick backup or enable Cloud Sync for that app. This protects data if you must clear cache or force stop. Now open the device settings and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. We'll locate the offending app and take the first corrective actions immediately. Now dive into the app's battery and background settings and explicitly allow background activity. This prevents the system from killing the app to save power. If your platform has aggressive optimization, whitelist the app or turn optimization off for that app so it won't be paused. Once done, clear the app cache and only clear data if you've backed up. Clearing can reset problematic configurations. Also confirm required permissions like auto start and background location are granted because finish by ensuring both the app and the operating system are updated to stable versions. Sometimes a recent update causes instability, and rolling back resolves it. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted binaries, or boot into safe mode to see if another app or service is causing conflicts. Make sure to test after each change, and if it still restarts, capture logs or screenshots and contact support with your device model, OS version, and a short timeline of what you tried. This speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.